6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, we're gonna follow, push, pull. 5, 6, 7, start getting out of the way. The right hand's gonna push through, the left hand's gonna stay down. I'm gonna turn her on 1 and 2. 1, I'm gonna get behind her. 2, so now we're gonna be doing a little salsa step on 3. So now we're gonna let go of this left hand behind her, keep walking around her. 5, and go to the other side of the slide, catching the hand. 6, 7. Open up the slide on 1. We're gonna go super glue our hands, so don't change the grip. Over the head on 2. We're gonna scoop both hands up. 3, palms up. We're gonna do a back charge. 5, 6, 7. So from here, it looks like we're doing a copa, but we're actually giving her a 1.5 right. So both hands are gonna open up, but I'm gonna be leading with that left hand, so she's going forward. 1, I'm letting go of the right hand right away. So now on 2, I'm gonna start turning her. 2, over her head. 3, I'm gonna turn to the right, switch the hand behind back. 5, face her, and do another half right turn. 6, 7, off the slide. So now we're gonna be going over, under, bring it forward. 1 and 2, 1, 2, go over on 3, now come under right away. Salsa step. 5, 6, 7, off the slot. Now I'm gonna bring her in on 1, give her a 1.5 right. So I'm gonna pull on 2, 2, I'm gonna go over my head. 3, to the right, go over to the left. 5, putting out the ribs, forward break on 6, 7. Free spin, bring her forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross right lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a full turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, we're crossing in front. Then we're going to go back on 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a 1.5 right. 1, turn on 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do another 1.5 right. Forward on 1, turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to go forward on 1, 2, 3. We're going to accelerate the turn here. 4 and 5, 6, 7. Another 1.5 right. Forward on 1, turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.